yes. Look at this. The spectacular scenery. And this bit of road is so much fun. Oh, bump. Just getting a little bit excited. These are the best curves I've had all week. DRZ is still eager to go, eager to carve. Flickety flick. Lickety split. Oh, this is great. DRZ feels like a rocket ship. Alrighty, ho. Here we are in Blenheim at the mobile station. Just ready to get to the ferry. We are very nearly at 63,000 kilometers. Make sure you get a pic for the gram. Does that buzzing annoy you? Can you even hear it? Right, we've got about 25 k's to cruise to Picton and then onto the ferry. Now we'll get across the ferry. That will arrive in Wellington about 6 p.m. tonight, and then we'll ride from Wellington up to Levin. I'm going to stay the night with some friends, and then tomorrow it's only about 6 hours or 600 k's back to Pukekohe. Woo! Man, what a trip. It's been very good. I achieved 98% of what I set out to do. I just had one checkpoint which I didn't get, but I got a really good score, I think. I'm very happy, but we won't know until the results come out. Here we go, got my booking ready. We've got some moderate swells today. That'll be fun, and if you look in the mirror behind the old high ace, you can see a Super Duke DT, and there's also a Triumph. So we've got Nigel and Clive on the Super Duke and the Triumph Tiger. Hi. Good morning. 2 bars, an hour 23. We've made it to lovely Wellington. Although they've been taking the mickey out of old Nigel. He's got a proximity key, which doesn't work if it's in your top pants pocket, because that's too far away. Which is quite... that's amusing to me, because it's not my problem. It's 6:05 in the evening. Wellington looks clear out there. We've got about an hour and a half to Levin, but my hands are dry, my feet are in fresh socks. That's great, and we're ready to go, if we don't die from carbon monoxide poisoning first. Just waiting for all the prehistoric iron to start their pre-warm-up checks, which includes 17 minutes of idling just to make sure the engine is in fact running. Here we go. Good morning everyone. It's a very fine Tuesday. It's Tuesday today. Very fine Tuesday morning. We've just left Levin. We're heading towards Foxton. We're going to head out to Wanganui and take the number 4 all the way up. The rain suit is not on today, so I can sit upright. I don't have to sit like a hunchback all day. It's meant to be beautiful, clear, fine weather like this all day. Maybe a bit of wind. And we're just going to cruise all the way home. Not in a rush. Quite happy to sit in traffic. might stop at National Park and get gas and have lunch. Alright, let's fill up here. Let's get a feed. Here we go, it's lunchtime. Defrosted in the sun. We've got 297 kilometers to go till I'm home. And then this epic trip will be over. I think it's about 4,000 Ks. So this is the final stretch. We've got 300 kilometers to go. And it's 10 to 3 in the afternoon. So home before 6, hopefully. Which will be great. Anyone recognize this BP station? Leave something in the comments if you do. Hey Adventure Bro. Hey, this is my exit. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you've watched all of the videos, this is the end of the trip for me. I've made it home. I'm very tired. My butt is kind of sore now. But that's what happens with DRZ life. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or tell your friends that you saw your friends, or leave a comment. Sure. Alright guys, take care. Bye bye.